Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fill a bobbin. So the bobbin is the little spool that you get with your thread. You most likely won't have thread on it already, so you just buy the thread that you like and then you fill your own bobbins. So I'm going to slip my thread onto my machine, and I have a brother, so this is my installation. You're going to pull your thread from your large spool, wrap it around the little spoolie thing that we have here, and then back to your bobbin filler. So the bobbin filler is usually on the right top side of your machine, like this. Then you're going to take your little bobbins. Mine come with plastic ones, but there are metal ones. And there's actually a hole on the top of the bobbin. You're going to put your thread through the middle of your bobbin and up through that hole, and give yourself about 5 or 6 inches to hold on to. And then you put it on your little post and then you push it over. And that's sort of like a switch that's now going to tell the machine that when you press your presser foot, that it's going to spin your bobbin filler and your needle isn't going to move. So you're going to keep hold of that thread and press your presser foot, and it's basically just going to fill itself. Once you get to a certain point, you can just snap off that extra thread. If not, it might get entangled within your thread, and then you might have problems later on when you're sewing a project. So you just keep going, and then that little circle that's on the side there will sense how full your bobbin is, and then it's just going to stop it. And then you move it back over and you pull your bobbin off. Then you just snip your thread, and then you have a full bobbin. So then you can just stick it right in your machine. For mine, I have a little cover. I'm going to take out my old bobbin, and then I'm going to look at the little diagram. I need to have my thread coming out on the left, put the bobbin inside, and then I'm just going to follow the guides. So it goes over here and over there, and then there's a little cutter right there. I'm just going to pull it and it's going to snap it off. And so now my bobbin is installed. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and if you know anyone who is a very beginner sewer, I would love it if you shared with them. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys!